Jingujor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
State President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee baru balongru MP Barim ke Lok Sabha uba Vincent H. Pala habaya keren berkilat pathai kubor mentakas sengi ka arpotrik unailor arajar arpusau ula ong bakas seng kala depan bo ya kecing kerpat hakamat kaying bisar Jong Lamphang ke jela ha ke banakaliang Jong uru ula shimkia ya ke kam haringkat bad UAG uba pala ula pentip beru baka Kongres kala depan ujor hadu art lagi jing kerpat ha ka baka way ka ni ka benta ki arngut ki MLA ki bala sha sospon namar hadin ba lakhot ye ka jingelang kini ki arngut ki MLA ki klem wan mi madakalnya ke Kongres kala rai ban sospon no ye ki lingba ka jingyo bor na ki bor bahalor uba pala uloong bahadin bala yo ye ki jingdan kam na baro nakalyang ka seng kala pha sya kaying bisyar Jong Lamphang sa kaway pat gajing kerpat la ujor halor gajing jendat Jong Dr. Celestine Lingdo badlet ban penyeso bat ke NPP haga bamenta uba Roni V Lingdo ulalong marway kumu MLA Jong ke Kongres hadin ba usaleng sangma ulaha ban no ya ke kam kumu MLA namar gajing syak jet ban long kumu MP.
Yes, we have filed a petition in the court of the Speaker. I saw that the Speaker also has admitted today and through the media only that he is taking the matter with the AG. So what we have done is that we filed two petitions. One petition is against two MLAs who have been suspended. Because on the 16th when we had a meeting, two MLAs did not come, so we suspended them with the approval of the competent authority. Dr. Celestine Lingdo came up to 16th and he told us that he is not going to join. Surprisingly, on 19th they have joined. But in the official communications which is there in the media also, they said that they've already offered since 14 and they joined on the 19th. So we got all the officials, so we are giving all the papers to the concerned court. Another petition we file is after two were suspended, two MLAs remain, Baroni and Dr. Celestine. So when Baroni remained alone, Celestine joined with them. So we thought that we should separate a case of different because the suspended MLA is one case and the non-suspended MLA, Baroni, is another, Dr. Celestine left, is another case. So the petition was prepared by AICC. Entire this case is taken by AICC. MPCB only coordinating, drafting and everything done by AICC in consultation with legal cell. Here Bakan Pham is heading a legal cell here. He personally went to Delhi, had discussions with the Salman Khurshid and Manu Singhvi, Dr. Manu Singhvi and all our leaders. So they decided the petition we have given. You can get, I think by this time they must have given it in the website. So I don't know what is the practice, but we did file. One is on the 9th 2024 and the other one is on the 16th 9th 2024. So this is the status. And the main points which we stick is with the sections of the para 21A of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India 1950, in the sense that they are willingly, do away with the membership, which is not allowed. So this is what we, I think, to give you. The rest, I think, what is written today in the papers, I think you have got it.
I mean, you see, what all we have done is with you. You have the dates with you. Have you got the dates of the merger on the date of 40 or after that? You decide.
No, we are asking.
I think that questions which you have said, you are right. Up to 16, Dr. Celestine came to us. He said that he has not joined. Whereas when the next day, they said that they got a letter from 14th. Why not they declared on 14th or 15th that we got a letter from them? Why not they declared at that time? Why do you have to declare that letter on 14th till the 19th? So there must be something fishy in the office where they have backdated or manufactured the papers. So the court will see on all this.
That's what we have presented it factually.
Yeah,
We have nothing to fabricate. Let the ones who fabricated, plead their case. We are very clear about what the organization and what the laws of the land are.
Normally, we file in the court of the speaker. When the speaker disposed the case or given any judgment or giving any clarification, if we are not happy with that, and then we go to the appellate court, that is the high court. So our next steps, when the speaker will give any judgment or any decision, then if we are not happy with it, and they will go to the high court. If we are not happy with the judgment or given by the high court, then we'll go to Supreme Court. So this case is not a small case. This is a case, hopefully it will go to a higher level, to a high court or at the most to Supreme Court. So we have filed in the speaker, and we have not done anything in the high court because we are waiting the response, the judgment and the decision of the speaker. We have proof that, when we send letters, it doesn't mean that the speaker himself will receive it, but his office has received. We have proof all those. You may be right, the speaker can claim and claim, but ultimately the judgments of the court will decide on that.
Yeah, I have a comment to make on that one. If the speaker was so sure about his decision, why the speaker has referred it to the AG again? If he was so sure about his decision, why does he want a legal opinion that exposes the weakness or the doubtfulness or the fear of failure in the speaker, that if it goes for an appeal, he will have an unfavorable situation because he decided in haste? Had it been prudent for the speaker to have taken the advice of the AG when the merger request came in, before making the judgment, to have approved the merger? So who is at fault here? Let the law decide. We have suspended them, and we have suspended them on the grounds under which they are disqualified to do such kind of a thing, and legal opinions have been made. We have made the complaint to the speaker, and the speaker suddenly has got a very legal mind to refer it to the AG. He should have done that much before. He should have consulted the AG even before making that decision of allowing the merger.